Hi, I'm Brant Spesshardt, President and founder of Steward Wealth Strategies, and today we want to share with you on an important topic. There's 6 key areas of financial planning: investments, retirement, tax, protection, and generosity. But then there's also the area of estate planning. A properly planned estate is one of the best ways to tell your family that you love them. The purpose of estate planning is to protect the people you care about, to provide clarity, reduce future burdens, but also have our stewardship extend beyond our lifetimes, provide a legacy of stewardship. So what happens if you don't have an estate plan? Because the reality is we see this on a regular basis. Clients come in or prospects come in and they don't have a will, they don't have a trust, they don't have power of attorney documents in place. Well, the state could end up making key decisions. Courts could determine distribution of assets. There could be unintentional inheritance, and families may face unnecessary conflict. Are any of these items something you want when you pass away? Probably not. So estate planning helps answer 3 key questions. Who helps make decisions if I cannot? When I'm deceased, who's in charge? Who's making distributions as far as my estate's concerned? But estate planning also helps answer that question if we're incapacitated. But also, who receives what I own? Who are my beneficiaries? Is there somebody that I want to receive something in particular or receive more? Or are there certain organizations I want to include in my estate plan? But then also, how can I reduce stress for my family? If any of you have ever had to deal with another person's estate before, maybe you've served as an executor, you've lost a loved one, you know how important this is. There's a lot of tough decision making and a lot of emotional grieving going on. It's a part-time job. It's a lot of paperwork. It can be a very stressful situation just having to settle a well-planned out estate. Let's not make a mess for somebody that we care about. Let's not make somebody else pick up pieces that we've kind of left behind. So one of the best places to start is having your last will and testament. Now, there's many documents that are part of a properly planned estate, but a will is kind of the cornerstone. A will is an act of love. You're putting in writing who are going to be the guardians for minor children. I will go ahead and tell you, for parents with minor children, this is one of the reasons people don't get a will done, is because they can't make that decision. Just do it. Put it in writing. Because if you don't make that decision, somebody else will for you. Same thing when it comes to our assets, our property. A will puts in writing how you want your assets to be distributed. Let's prevent unnecessary conflict. Siblings disagree all the time. Families fight, especially sometimes when it comes to money issues. Let's not make our passing a reason for conflict. Let's make our passing a reason for somebody to celebrate the life, celebrate the good that we've done. But just remember, the will is not the only document. Now, simplicity over complexity. Many times families are served best by just having simple documents in place, not overcomplicating. Sometimes the phrase done is actually better or can be better than perfect. Remember, estate plans should be monitored and can be adjusted over your lifetime. Our situations are constantly changing, whether it's financial or maybe even family dynamic. In more complicated situations, I will say though, trust planning may be more appropriate. Be sure to speak with legal counsel to determine what is best for you. Now, if you want to leave a meaningful legacy, something to keep in mind is it's not just the assets, but sometimes it's our values that we want to pass on. We want to provide for our family. But then sometimes we want our estate plan to possibly support organizations, nonprofits, ministries that we truly care about. Think beyond your lifetime. Sometimes incorporating a tithe, 10% to charity or ministry in your estate plan can still leave a bunch to the people we care about, but can also make a difference to the organizations we care about as well. Our role at Steward Wealth Strategies is that we want to make sure your financial plan reflects you and your wishes. We will work with your attorney, but we're not an attorney. We're not giving or practicing law, but we want to make sure that your financial plan is, aligned with your estate plan. Too many times people may go through all this work of updating their estate plan, but then we're not notified if we need to update account titles or beneficiary updates. Remember, your will may say one thing, but that does not supersede what your beneficiary says on a retirement account or a life insurance policy or on another type of account. Let's help make sure that we provide clarity, and our role is to help provide guidance and help you be good stewards of your financial and your estate plan. So take that step, have your will in place. And if you've already done that, that's fine. Just remember, you need to review your existing plans on a regular basis. That's where it's great to incorporate Steward Wealth Strategies. Have family conversations now. Don't put off until it's too late. Planning now can help bring peace to the ones that you care about most. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to this presentation on estate planning. Here at Steward Wealth Strategies, we want to continue to serve you and your family. It's an honor. God bless you. Thank you.